here's where we are today. We're on the second round of buffing with this pad. We need to get a new one. That one's kind of chewed up. But we went from 1,000 grit, 1,500 grit, 2,000 grit to the wool pad, then this pad, then one more pad, and then this will shine like perfect. So let's go look. Here's my 58 Plymouth. It's sanded down to bare metal in most places. I had it in epoxy primer. Hasn't been outside. It's been no weather on it since I've had it. It's rust free. This car is the perfect shell. It has everything you need. It's got all the glass except for the windshield. It's got all the grill, the bottom part of the grill. You need to get the side trim if you want to make it into a Christine, which I'm planning on doing. But I'm at a dilemma. Just today. In there, I've got a almost brand new Hellcat that I just had to clean up and repaint. And here, I've got, what, 65, 66-year-old car that it's now rust-free. I redid the floors and the rockers, inner and outer. Put new fenders on, or new to me fenders. The 58 fenders I had were just rotted out. I still have them. Might fix them someday, but these were good to go. Took the engine out. If you look at Fury Jim, he's doing a similar build. He just put a Hellcat in his, so he beat me. That's good. He's probably way better at this than I am. He knows those cars. My plan is to put a Hellcat in this, but I've got a Hellcat right next door, and it works, and it's beautiful. This would be cool, but this is also probably at least another year out. It's got the dash and the steering wheel and the letters for the trunk, and I'm missing just a couple of things. The side trim, the inserts, which you can get, the trim that goes on the roof, and I don't know, a couple other things that are easy to get. Oh, you can't keep them all. I've got so many cars now, I don't have room for them all. All right, let's start on the hood. I'm using this. I don't endorse it, but you look at what it did on the General, it's beautiful. I like to put some on the pad, maybe a little bit where I'm doing it, and be careful, it will go everywhere at first, so you kind of gotta rub it in to the panel. Okay? Watch. Put it on there and go, yeah, make a big mess. And just go. Do it at a low speed, not in a hurry. If my calculations are correct, you're gonna see some serious shine. What'd you think I was gonna say? All right, this should be the last time I need a buff. You know, the last out of 4, 3 out of 3. A little hard work goes a long way. Keep up the good work. Well, that's the third step buffed. I think once I clean it off, it's gonna look so beautiful, kind of like a polish it off. Only problem is these burn throughs, which I'm gonna get some touch-up paint. You'll never see that. And the gas cap, gas cover, I'm just gonna repaint. So I've had to sand down this because of this. In fact, I still see more. The orange peel was just too strong, so I had to resand it all along here. It seems like for some reason it's on the flat surfaces. I want those dots gone. That way when it's polished again though, there won't be any pitting, and it's pretty good right now. It's been a long day. I got the Hemi badge off. Still need to clean it up a little bit though. Just use the heat gun. Some dental floss. I'm not going to put the Hellcat badge back on. There's the engine. I'm going to repaint the top of this. And maybe the whole fender. So if you look right here, there's some kind of little weird solventy pop stuff. And I thought these doors didn't need to be sanded down here, but I was sitting lower and it does have the same kind of orange peel. So I'm gonna have to sand the doors and the lower parts too. Which of course leads to, hours of sanding. So what I thought I would do is start this bad boy so I can get some more motivation. Take it for a spin right now, and I can't tell you how tempted I am. But I gotta work. I gotta do my work first. Work first, then play. But doesn't mean we can't rev it up, right? It's insane. It's really insane. Well, I pushed the button and the steering wheel's going up and the seat went back. What are you trying to say, car? Poo-poo head. This is the first time I've had the windows down. Those door panels need to be fixed. They're kind of sticking up. I had a really hard time with what? Well, the door panels, yes, but the outside door handles were really tricky because there's something broken up, and I found out how the kid who stole it got in. He broke this back window. I found glass inside the door. There was a bolt about this big that holds the door handle on, and without it it's useless. So anyway, I really want to go for a spin, but it's not registered, and I could just see me getting pulled over, and yeah, we'll get to that point. Got the new to me mirror on and the other mirror, and what makes me happy is all the windows went down because I had all the doors apart, or mostly. I got the key cut that was in here, and I got a spare key, and I made it so it fits the glove box and the outside door. Not that anybody will ever use it, but maybe. So, and I found out these go to the garage door opener. I don't know how you set them, but we'll have to figure that out, or whoever buys this. I really haven't spent much time in the car. Look at that, I pushed the button and it moves me forward. That's a little odd. Let's start it again, it's that much fun. I'm doing it because the battery's a little low. Top speed 192. Okay to reset. Who the hell was doing 192 in this car? Coat number 2. So as you can see, it's not always smooth sailing here at GEEKANDSON. I had to repaint the gas cap door because, well, I burned through on the edge. And now this is what, 3 more coats, but now it's kind of got the orange peel look, which it's okay. I like to sand them down before clear anyway. I think the problem I've had is the clear I was using was for medium, and it was 75 to 90 degrees, and it just wouldn't work.
I'm going to do at least 2 more coats of clear. All right, this is 3 coats of clear. Pretty heavy. A lot of runs. You can hear my feet squeaking on the ground. Actually, it looks pretty good in a lot of places once I get that other stuff out. We'll let this cure until tomorrow morning and start sanding it down with the 1500. Or I mean the 1000. Then 1500. Then 2000. Thanks for watching. Bye.